What's up, future millionaires? In this video, I do want to have a look at the whole crypto market, just talk about it with you guys, just to get you guys a indication or understanding of what's happening. I've been getting a lot of comments recently, or not a lot, but a few actually, saying that the bull market one is over, it's not coming back, stop shilling altcoins, the bull market is done, we have to wait till 2027, etc. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys, a few charts that will indicate why this altcoin season or bull market for altcoin season still has not started. And pretty much that's about it. Now, yes, in the past couple of years or in the past year and a half, we've seen a bull market for Bitcoin, but that does not mean we saw the bull market for altcoins. And we are very, very, very close to see a bull market for altcoins. So let's have a look at the crypto bubble real quick, just to show you guys what exactly is happening. This is the crypto bubble right here. And obviously everything is in green. It seems like crypto is making a nice little rebound from the last 24 hours or, the last few days. Now, obviously we had the Santa rally prior or after the Santa rally, we pretty much had everything crash, or we had a big dump in most of the altcoins. And you could see right here that in the last hour, things are up, especially in the last 24 hours. I mean, you got HTX, Big Get, a lot of these, CX are making big moves right here. WIF is up 3%. But what I really want to talk with you guys is actually this. And this is the total market cap, not including Bitcoin, not including Ethereum, for altcoins. Okay, so this is the market cap currently sitting at $970 billion. Once again, this is not including Ethereum, and it's not including, altcoins or Bitcoin, sorry. And you guys can see right here, the last time we actually had a red candle in December, right before the massive bull market, was actually in 2020. Now, look what happened. Just keep in mind and watch very, very close. We broke that support region right here on or resistance on Bitcoin. Okay, so this is a support region or resistance, whatever you want to call it. We broke that on the total market cap right here. And guess what happened? We saw a massive green candle in November. Now, what happened after that? We saw a red candle ending the month. Now, the exact same thing, this is a fractal, and the exact same fractal that actually is happening right now. We're seeing in November a beautiful green dildo right here, broke the resistance, broke that nice little line right here, and of course followed by December, a doji or a candle that doesn't really make sense, kind of like a confused candle, doesn't really know where to go. And you guys can see right here, this candle right here is the same thing that happened right here. And guess what happened in 2021? Okay, remember this. 2021, that's when the altcoin season started. Okay, so obviously we know that's every 4 years. Guess what's about to happen? We're about to be 2025. So this was January 2021. Yes, we did come down a little bit, so I wouldn't be surprised if we come down a little bit before shooting to the upside. But overall, 2025 January, or at least most of January, should pretty much be in green. Now, if we have a look at this chart right here, this is the Bitcoin chart, right? We got 2014 right here. This is the first one here. Let me just indicate it. This is 2014 right here. We got 2018 right here, and of course we got 2022. So we know historically that pretty much every 4 years, or that's how at least the cycle has been, and since 2014, we've seen 3 green candles, 1 red candle, 3 green candles, 1 red candle, 3 green candles, and 2 green candles. And the big question is, will this candle right here be green? Now, obviously, with Trump coming in 2025 and Trump being very pro crypto and etc., you could expect a massive pump, not only in altcoins, but in Bitcoin as well. And the big question is will this actually lead into a 4-year super cycle in Bitcoin? And are we going to essentially break this massive trend right here? Are we going to see Bitcoin not have that, 3 1 3 1 3 1 3, and are we going to have a 3 consecutive more green candles in a row? So it's going to be very, very interesting to see, what happens here on this chart, with Bitcoin. Obviously, the total market cap is very, very bullish. We need to break $1.13 trillion in order for us to stay bullish. In order for us to have a full-blown altcoin season. Sorry, we know that this is a very, very important resistance right here. So by the way, if you guys do want to trade altcoins and you whatever, it doesn't matter if it's Veracity, Cadena, or it doesn't matter what it is, you guys need to have a look at, Bitcoin as your main technical indicator. And you need to have a look at this chart right here, because this chart is very, very important. It's called Total 3. Anyways, having a look right here at Ethereum, I think Ethereum will be leading the altcoin season chart in 2025. I think in order for us to see that massive pump, we need to see Ethereum break $4,100. Now, Ethereum has been having a very, very hard time breaking this level right here. 4,100 is actually a very psychological support. We need to see Ethereum break this level. Now you guys can see right here that Ethereum is in a symmetrical triangle right here, which is technically bearish. Now, of course, another thing that I do want to talk about is that typically every time we do break out of a symmetrical triangle, we usually retest before coming back down. Now, I know a lot of people are saying, oh yeah, there's this expiry happening and futures contract, etc. And you know, maybe that's why it's pumping, maybe not. But you guys can see right here that Ethereum is currently sitting at the 50 moving average. We're still below the support region right here. We're still below this trend line. And obviously a retest is probably inevitable, and we're most likely going to come back down and see $3,000 again, just one more time. Now, of course, this is the demand zone right here. I don't know if it's going to happen. It might not happen, but in my opinion, we need to be patient because 2025 or the beginning of 2025, this is when the real action starts. By the way, if you guys do want to join my Patreon, okay, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. The Discord is free. The Patreon, you can get, you know, a bunch of signals, a bunch of daily, weekly, monthly signals. I do a bunch of technical analysis on there. You could, of course, also learn with me. That's up to you though. Make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. This is my video for today. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.